we are doing formatting cell. We've done a lot about formatting cell, and this time around we would want to learn something new. Okay, so we would want to highlight the whole sheet and make an adjustment at the width, let's say 100 pixels, and also increase the row reference to, let's say, 60 pixels. Okay, great. And let's create 4 at the column, 4 at the reference, and let's create a border. We are doing all borders. Good. And as I said, when you select a portion of a cell, the active cell is the white one that you see after the selection. When you press enter, the active cell changes. When you press enter, the active cells changes. So the active cells, okay, now the active cells are changing, and it starts all over again. So let's say we want to write some figures, okay. Let's say I'll find out a T, and this time around we would want to bolden this and center it. Okay, we said that we can bolden it with this bold symbol here, B. Okay, we can increase the size, and we can also place it in the middle and the center at the same time. So after I've done this, I click on the copy clip, and the copy clip has copied the whole format here. And when I click on this cell, it's going to use the format on this cell, but it's going to maintain the figure there. Do you understand? So let me copy it, and this time around I'll highlight all that I would want to change. Good. So let me copy this one also and use it for this one. Okay, good. So let's get to the fill. We can change the color to whatever color we would want. When we come here, we can also change the color here. When we come here, we can also change the color here. We can also change the color of the fill. So basically, this is how we are able to format cells. We are able to make changes to cells. Okay, so let's talk about more colors. Okay, good. When you go to more colors, you realize that there are a lot of colors here. We have custom also, and I want you to note this. When it comes to color, this is what we are going to learn about it. The higher the number, the lighter it becomes. So when we press 0, 0, you realize that we have red. Alright, that's the highest number in the color. So when we are reducing this number to, let's say, 200, you realize that it becomes deeper. Let me go to the fill color. When I say 200, it becomes deeper. When I go to 0, the whole color becomes black. Do you understand? So the lower the color, the deeper it becomes. The higher the color, the lighter it becomes. We go to custom, and now this time around we want the red to come out, so 150 of red. The moment we start altering the green and the blue, it will be mixing colors, and it will be changing the whole concept of the red. The RGB numbers. Thank you. This is what we will learn today, and we are going to do revision in our next section. Subscribe so that you get notified in our upcoming lectures. Thank you.